probably cooking them subs. Not cooking them, but they're pretty hot. You're doing good.
They're getting down pretty good.
Yeah, and your speakers are clear. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Them alternators are fucking hating life.
They are, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice and toasty.
Nice and toasty, yeah. Woo.
They're getting down pretty good.
Yeah, and your speakers are clear.
We turned it up a little bit from the last time you heard it.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Wow.
I took all the Scar audio mids out of here. It's all PRV now.
Okay.
So all 6 of these mid-range speakers, each set is on a 3500 SQ35.
Okay. Oh, it's down there. Oh, wow.
We've got a DSP. We've got 800 by 200 the seat for the 2 sets of PRV tweeters.
Nice.
And then obviously the twin 3600s on each 50. This sucks.
So is this a 215's fourth order?
Yep.
Wow.
Yep. Same thing it's been.
Nice. Is it inverted or mounted regular on the subs? Inverted.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your box tuned to?
37.
Okay. So you have all of your electrical here, or is there a battery in the back?
There's 2 batteries in the toolbox.
Okay. On that side or both sides?
Both sides.
Oh, really? Okay. Oh, wow, got it. Nice. Okay. Are these 245s or?
Yeah, it does all right.
It did good. Yes, sir.
Actually flat 5,800 watts.
5,800?
I rose to 8 ohms, bro.
Is this at 1 ohm starting?
These are actually strapped together, so they're wired at 1.4 per sub.
Okay.
So each amp's seeing 0.7.
And you rose that high. Wow. You have an efficient box.
And still pulled 50, almost a 51 out of it.
That's pretty good. You happy with it? Work in progress.
Could be
Base
better.
Yeah.
Could be better.
Wow.
You happy with your new setup?
I love it. It's awesome, man. I actually got it here. I've been demoing a lot.
Slanging mud to the sky.
You're probably cooking them subs. Not cooking them, but they're pretty hot.
Like, you know, this is 33.
let it cool off. Wow.
When it gets cold, I'll come find
Yes,
you.
sir. No, you did great. I like that, man. I appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Wow, nice. Doing good.
Them alternators are fucking hating life.
They are, yeah,
Oh,
yeah. Oh,
nice
yeah.
and toasty.
Nice and toasty, yeah. Woo!
They're getting down pretty good.
Yeah, and your speakers are clear.
We turned it up a little bit from the last time you heard
It did? Oh, okay.
Well, I took all the Scar audio mids out of here. It's all PRV now.
Okay.
So all 6 of these mid-range speakers, each set is on a 3500 SQ35.
Okay.